I'm Helen Lloyd, and with my husband Alan, we operate Tan Yr Eglwys Holiday Cottages based in Killybeavill, which is within Neath of Talbot. We have two self-catering cottages. The larger one will sleep 6, the smaller one 4 to 5. We are very suitable for families. We're both child and toddler friendly. But out with these times, holiday times, we will often have mountain bikers coming to stay, or groups of friends who are coming for certain occasions. Maybe graduation at Swansea University will bring families in. They stay a little longer. We also recently have been having a lot of walkers and maybe leisure cyclists also. We love to point out the industrial heritage of the area, be it the monks' involvement with industry down at Neath Abbey, the connections to Brunel, and to the small mines that are nestling into the mountainsides around the cottages. These communities were created for industry, and I think it's important to remember and acknowledge our industrial heritage. The area that is known as the dramatic heart of Wales has such contrasts. It is almost a bit of Wales in miniature. In a short time, you are able to go from the beach at Port Talbot up to Margam Country Park, mountain biking in Argoed. Then we have the walks around Waterfall Country, also the tin plate mines at Aberdeen's Falls. There is an immense choice of places to visit within the county. There's something for everyone. You are all invited to find your epic in the dramatic heart of Wales.